A trusted DJI insider has just dropped clues that could change everything. Jasper Ellen's cryptic hints sent the drone world into full speculation mode, and when you look closer, the DJI Neo2 starts revealing secrets most people completely missed. While many are focused on rumors of a 1.3-inch sensor, the real story might be hidden in the drone's arms. The right arm appears to feature a sender and receiver system, possibly hinting at advanced obstacle awareness, while the left side looks like it could house a compact status display for follow me and smart flight modes. If these leaks turn out to be true, the Neo2 could easily become the smartest mini drone DJI has ever built. But DJI isn't stopping at smart design. The Neo2 is rumored to be fully compatible with DJI Goggles N3, unlocking a far more immersive FPV experience than we've ever seen in a drone this size. For existing DJI users, this is huge news. This means you may be able to grab a more affordable combo without rebuying accessories you already own. Even better, older Neo drones are expected to stay compatible via smartphone control, keeping everything connected and shareable without forcing upgrades. Now let's talk about the downside, because there is one. The improved battery comes at a serious price jump. The new DJI Neo2 intelligent flight battery is expected to cost $129, more than double the previous $59. Accessories also see a hike, with the two-way charging hub priced at $79, propellers at $39, propeller guards at $49, the digital transceiver at $59, and DJI Care refresh plans ranging from $28 to $48. It's a noticeable increase. But DJI seems confident the upgrades justify the cost. All eyes are now locked on October 30th, 2025. When DJI is expected to officially unveil the Neo2, rumors suggest this could be the last DJI drone to receive FCC certification under the current administration, making this launch not just a product release but a turning point for DJI's future in the US market. One of the most exciting leaks is something completely new for DJI's mini lineup: a detachable external transceiver module. Instead of a simple firmware upgrade, the Neo2 reportedly features a plug-in module that connects via USB-C at the back of the drone. This single upgrade could unlock OcuSync for support, dramatically improving range, reducing latency, and delivering rock-solid video transmission compared to standard Wi-Fi. With this module attached, pilots could pair the Neo2 with DJI Goggles N3, motion controllers, and professional-grade remotes, transforming this tiny drone into a serious FPV machine. This modular approach is a smart move by G, rather than forcing users into expensive hardware tiers. The Neo2 allows pilots to upgrade capabilities without replacing the entire drone. It's flexible, future-proof, and surprisingly budget-conscious. For under $250, DJI is reportedly packing features like gesture control, voice commands, longer flight time, and direct charging into an ultra-lightweight drone category that's never seen this level of tech before, designed with solo travelers, vloggers, and beginners in mind. The Neo2 weighs just 135 grams. Lighter than most smartphones, yet far more capable than its predecessor. Leaked images suggest the design stays familiar but refined, with new omnidirectional sensors on both the front and rear. These sensors dramatically improve obstacle detection and flight stability, making the drone safer and smarter in tight spaces. While true LiDAR may be unlikely at this weight, advanced optical or infrared sensors seem far more realistic and still incredibly effective. On the rear, a redesigned antenna and transmission system powered by OcuSync for promises smoother real-time video and stronger connections, especially for FPV flying. The camera system also sees a major leap forward, now capable of shooting 4K at 60 frames per second, paired with 10-bit HDR and D-Log M color profiles. A 1.3-inch CMOS sensor with up to 13.5 stops of dynamic range ensures rich colors, sharp details, and balanced exposure, even in challenging lighting. Add a new 2-axis gimbal, improved object tracking, auto return to home, and enhanced gesture and voice control, and the Neo2 starts to look like one of DJI's most intelligent compact drones ever. Battery life improves to around 19 minutes. And direct cable charging means no bulky hub is required. Pricing is expected to be aggressive, with the Fly Solo Bundle at $229, Creator Combo at $299, FPV Starter Pack at $399, and Fly More Kit at $449. Best of all, it's a sub-249G drone. It won't require FAA registration in many regions, making it perfect for travel and casual flying. And just when you think the leaks are done, whispers suggest something even bigger is coming. The DJI Avata 3 has reportedly been spotted in early leaks, showing a completely redesigned frame with a sleeker, more aerodynamic look. DJI may have shifted the battery backward to make room for a rumored 1-inch CMOS sensor, a massive upgrade over the Avata 2. If true, this could deliver cinematic low-light footage never before seen in an FPV drone. With a potential release window between November 2025 and January 2026, DJI's future lineup is shaping up to be explosive. Something big is coming, and GadgetVerse will be covering every update. Stay tuned.